Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing something I've been just playing with here, and it's going to be a t-shirt design. I'm thinking I'm going to do a t-shirt design for my dog Noodle. She's a pug. So if you want to stick around, and we'll draw together. Be right back. Hello, just want to remind you all that I stream on Twitch every so often, so check me out down there. I'll find a lower third for it or something. I don't know. It's somewhere on the screen. Anyways, today we're going to be drawing a Noodle t-shirt design. So I'm going to go to the square canvas, and I have this picture of a pug skull that I want to use. And I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna can we lock this layer? Lock it. And we're gonna go ahead to our rusty nib brushes, bold engraver style. Let's see how thick this is. Yeah, it's good. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna start outlining all the areas, and then we'll add some different elements to it. And don't worry about it being jagged or anything. Get out of here, dog hair. I have a dog. Like, obviously I have a dog because I'm doing this. But dog hair is always on my iPad screen. Always. And we have like little holes. Don't worry about the holes. We'll fill them in a bit, but we want to find out these like little areas that we can add like different lines to. It's a big old doggy eye. Doggy eye. I think what I want to do is I want to go on the outside with a slightly bigger brush. Let's bring it up to 50. See how that is. And I want to just outline the rest of this. This is a new type of art style. I saw someone else doing it on Instagram, and I'm like, I want to try this. So let me know if this comes out good or bad in the comments. Let me know if it's like, hey, this is really cool, you should do this on merch, or if it's like, hey, you need some practice. Let me know down in the comments, and we'll see how everybody likes it. All right, so we have our outline. We're gonna get a nice. I think we're gonna do like a yellowish skull, like a nice bony color, bony. But our teeth, I think we're gonna make them gold, like a nice gold. We are gonna add some more black lines because I feel like this is a little empty. And with this brush, if you don't use it like hard, like if you use it hard, it's like full. But if you use it like a really light brush, it like kind of tapers and it like cuts in and out by itself, which I really like. I'll leave the description. I'll leave the brushes in the description for you to test out. These were $19, I think, from the Texture Group or something like that. I don't know what they were. Now, my flames don't really look like flames, but that's okay because that's what I'm going for. This is, if you want realistic flames, that's totally fine. But for me, personally, I like to go with these like chunky little lines. And we're going to take some of this and we're going to go to our eraser, get the everyday rusty nib, and we're going to just erase with the rusty nib. Except for we don't need it that big. We might want a little bigger than that though. So we are going to go to Illustrator. We're going to put words up here, and I think we're going to words out there. So I think this is pretty much good for the start of it. But we're going to add some fonts to this stuff. So we're going to, first we want to name it, label it Noodle. And we're going to export it. We'll share it as a PNG. And we'll So here we have our canvas. I use 13 by 19 because that's the size of the films that we use when we print out t-shirt films. So I'm just going to place my artwork and we are going to mess around with it a little bit. Alright, so I have it expanded and I have it all set up to what I want. Some stragglers here and there, but that's okay. What I really wanted to keep was the roughness around the edges here. If you want me to go into explaining tracing, that's totally fine. I can do that in a different video. Let me know in the comments. I'm just going to make the back. I'm going to lock this and we are going to find a font. So after searching for a while, we found a font that I think looks real good. I bought it. It says Noodle. She's so cute. Oh my god, it's a noodle. We are going to transform it along one of these lines here. Got those messed up teeth. Okay. So now that we have our final shirt design, we are gonna have to make some mock-ups. And I had to find some mock-ups real fast. And we'll bring it over to Photoshop. Alrighty, so I found these. I'll leave these also in the description for you guys. Hold on. I found these. These will be in the description. This is from Graphic Burger, totally free mockup. We gotta find out, change your design. So I'm covering this, ain't I? Yep, I'm covering it. Anyways, we have a smart object here. We're gonna double click on it and see where that it says replace. It's just we just gotta replace that. Just gotta replace that with this. With a little bit of messing, I think we found our mock-up and how we're gonna promote this if I do decide to promote this. I might do a run of these. I don't know if there's any interest. Probably not because I'm so small. But if there is an interest, let me know. I might be able to get you one of these. And since I work at a fucking screen printing factory, not a factory, but a screen printing business, that'd be fun. Anyways, if you have questions about my design or how I mock it up or anything, leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching today, and I appreciate you sticking with me. A lot of speed through this, but we got through it, and I'll see you guys later.